Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to access the Steam browser in under 5 minutes. Whether you are a veteran player or a beginner, Steam's built-in browser is a handy tool for surfing the web without exiting the app. I will walk you through each step to ensure you can utilize this feature effectively. To start, launch the Steam application. You can do this by double-clicking the desktop shortcut or selecting it from your Start menu. Once the program loads, take a quick look at the main dashboard. This area serves as your hub for gaming and will soon be your portal to the web. Now, proceed to log in. Locate the Sign In button, which is easily visible. If you have logged in before, your credentials might be pre-filled for a faster start. If not, simply type in your account name and password. Remember to keep your login info private to stay secure. After entering your details, hit the Sign In button. This brings you to your personal homepage, showcasing your library, new titles, and current sales. Let's explore the internal browser. From the home screen, click on any game title. This opens the specific store page for that game, featuring descriptions and user feedback. Look at the right-hand sidebar for the developer information. Right-click on the developer's name or their website URL. From the menu that appears, choose Open Link in New Tab. This creates a fresh tab within the Steam interface. You will see a small plus symbol right next to this tab. Click that plus icon, and a full browser window will open inside Steam. This tool lets you browse the internet while staying inside the Steam environment, making it easy to jump back to your library or the store. It is ideal for looking up walkthroughs, visiting forums, or watching videos while you play. Keep in mind that while useful, this browser may lack some advanced features found in dedicated apps. That covers everything. You now know how to navigate the Steam browser. Start using this feature today to enhance your gaming experience.